Something you got to remind yourself of that I talk about all the time. This, stopping to take pictures. What do I mean by that? Jay just closed a monster deal. Some of us closed some big deals yesterday. Some of us, it's Thursday today. Yesterday was Wednesday. Some of us close our month's worth of quota on a Wednesday. Don't stop to take pictures, as Jay just said. When you have the momentum going, you got to ride the momentum. You've got to surf it. I can teach you tonality. I can help you with self-confidence. I can give you a process which will make you self-confident. The one thing I can't give you, though, that you have to give yourself is momentum. And the one thing that we all do in sales naturally, which is horrible, is we kill our own momentum. And what I mean by that is Bob closes a big deal. He goes into Pat's office, high fives Pat. He's like, I'm feeling pretty good. He calls his family, calls everybody. He goes on to Facebook. He starts looking at the new Lamborghini website because Bob would look great in a Lamborghini, right? So his focus gets knocked off. And am I saying I don't want Bob to celebrate with his family? No, I want Bob to celebrate. Am I saying I don't want Bob to buy a Lamborghini? I want to ride in Bob's Lamborghini. Okay, Bob, me and you, Lamborghini, right? I can't drive 55, Sammy Hagar, it's going to be great. However, what I am saying is this. When you're in the middle of a football game and you're scoring points, it's not a good time to walk back to the locker room and go through Lamborghini brochures. Finish the game, okay? There's going to be plenty of time for you guys to celebrate in the locker room, after the game, after your work hours, right? When you're closing deals, keep the momentum happening. Even if you're not closing deals, you're scheduling appointments, keep the momentum happening. And on the flip side of that, if you're getting your face punched, keep making plays, right? Just keep doing it. Trust the process, guys, and good things will happen.